Hey guys, my name is Bryce. Today I'm doing a quick little pack opening, just with one hand, so hence the very awkward opening situation of some Pendulum Evolution cards, just because I want to try and actually supplement my Dark Magician deck. So I thought I'd share things that I'd opened right away. So I got Clearfort Monolith, Pendulum Call, which is good, Pendulum Storm, which is, looks nice, but not that great, Double Iris Magician, and I also have Harmonizing Magician. Another pack, and I find something that's kind of even a better pull, in my opinion, for at least the cards I'm looking for and everything. I believe I made this pull as well, single-handedly. Not really a big fan of having a tripod just for opening cards, but you can see how there's merit. I'm not going to do a selfie stick, though. That will not be something I'll be trying out. Now, once I finally free this, we can have a look. So we have Rescue Hamster, which is handy. Tuning Magician, Odd Eyes Meteor Burst Dragon, which I immediately traded, which is nice, and then actually the White Wing Magician was very useful, so that was actually a pull I was quite happy with. And that wraps it up for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.